Hey, what's poppin', guys? It's your boy XO, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to use the alligator indicator in your trading strategy. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. Guys, as you can see, I'm using my TradingView mobile app. It's to show you that you can use any strategy using your mobile phone. You don't basically need to use a computer, even if using the computer is really easy and you can easily get things done when it comes to analyzing the market and taking trades in general, guys. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to use the alligator indicator in your trading strategy. Trading the alligator indicator can be really dangerous, so you guys need to be careful because the indicator shows no mercy at all. So I'll be showing you how to use the alligator indicator to make profits in the market and how to understand its weaknesses. So, the alligator indicator is really easy to understand. So the alligator indicator comes with three lines, kind of like a three moving averages line, which is called the jaw, the teeth, and the lips. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So I will come in, let me use the indicator and I will type in alligator. Actually it's called Williams alligator, so let me clear that out. So let's see if we can see it. Because you can see Williams alligator, and you click on it, it should load up real quick. Like I said, it has three main lines, which is the, I don't know why it's taking too much time to load. So as you can see, guys, the jaw, the teeth, and the lips. So the blue line is the jaw, the pink line, kind of like pink, yeah, is the teeth, and the green line is the lips. So guys, as you can see, I had a 200 period moving average line on the chart right there. So guys, let me quickly explain how to use the 200 EMA with the alligator indicator in your trading strategy. The reason why I kept this 200 EMA is because I wanted to filter out bad trades. Trading the alligator indicator on its own, like I said, is really dangerous because you don't get to identify where the trend actually is. The alligator indicator only shows you trending phases of the market and how strong a trend is, but it doesn't show you if it's in an uptrend or a downtrend of that particular time frame, which is something I take into consideration very deeply. So what you want to look for is when the lips, which is the green line, is crossing over the teeth and the jaw. So let's check that out. So as you can see at this point, like I said, I kept the 200 EMA there to filter out bad trades, which means to tell me where the trend is so I can take trades in the direction of the trend. You guys always hear the saying, you have to take trades. You guys always hear the saying, take trades in the direction of the trend, which is what I like to do all the time. At least it takes your win rates from, example guys, it takes your win rates from 50% to at least 55%. So that 5% is really a great amount. Like when it comes to probability wise, 5% is a lot. So guys, usually 1.5 to 2 hour is usually a great amount, because if you take 2 trades and you win, let's say you take 4 trades and you lost 2 and you won 2, it means you still make a profit. All right, so at least a 1.5 or a 2 hour is a great amount when it comes to normal trade. But when it comes to scalping, I like you guys to use a 0.5 or a 1 hour target. So let me take a normal trade. Let's see, you can see at this point it's above, but the teeth, which is the green line, crossed the pink line but didn't cross the blue line, so that's not a valid trade. So let's look for a valid trade. I think we'll find one. And I forgot to mention, guys, so guys, as you can see at this point, it crossed at this point above the 200 EMA line, so we're looking to take a trade at this point. So let's take a trade for a buy, for a long. So it crossed at this point and we're getting for a buy. So let's see what is the ATL value of that area. The ATL value for this point is 13, which is which we use a 2x, which is 26. So let's see if we got that. Okay, 26. Let's see. So you want to come down here and put in 26, and yeah, So like I said, a 1.5 or a 2R is a good target. So guys, as you can see, a 2R was successful and a 1.5 was also a win. But I usually don't recommend taking a 1R on this kind of trades because of probability wise. So at least a 1.5 is a good amount. So there's one thing I want to say again about the alligator indicator, which is the fact that it is used to identify trends in the market. Like I said at the beginning, it only tells you that okay, the market is trending when you see prices above the three, the jaw, the lips, and the teeth. When you see the price is strongly above it, it means the market is actually in a strong trend. But you can't tell if it's in the down or an uptrend, which is why I use the 200 EMA line. So like I said, an uptrend is showing you momentum when it's clearly above the alligator indicator lines. Guys, right at this point, I can see a selling entry. So let me scale it out a little bit. So you can see that the price is below the 200 EMA line and it's crossed just right above at this point. You can see the cross happen there. You can see this green line crossed the pink line, but didn't fully cross the blue line, which is not a valid signal. So you see this one, it's clearly crossed at this point. So I'm looking to take a trade on this green candle here. So let's take the trade for itself. So let's take the trade right here. Yep. So you want to go for a sell. So what is the ATR value? Like I said, the ATR value for that point is 14. So you want to use a 28 pip stop. So let's scroll down. 28 and down. So your target, like I said, is a 1.5. So you want to use a 1.5. So you can see 1.5 was a win, or a 2R. Let's see if 2R is a win. So if it's a 2R, you almost won it. But because of spread, I think this will be a loss. So at least I said a 1.5 to 2R. It all depends if you can, or you can trail your stops if you want to. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you guys how you can use your mobile phone to trade and analyze the market. You don't necessarily need to use a PC, even if it's actually important, and it will make you work even more faster and analyzing the chart even more seamless. I think that's a word to say, seamless. So make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment if you want to see more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed and stay XO.